This video demonstrates how to repair a book spine. This video is part 2 of 3. The book spine cloth needs to be reinforced to create a durable spine. This is accomplished by making a cardstock insert to be glued into the book cloth spine area. Cut the insert cardstock to the exact width and length of the book spine. After cutting the insert to size, create a vertical line either by lightly folding the book cloth in half or by making a center line with a pencil and ruler. Take your book cloth, which has already been cut to size, create a vertical center line on the reverse side of the book cloth with a pencil and ruler. Measure 1 inch down and from one short edge of the book cloth and draw a line across with your pencil. This will be your guideline for attaching the cardstock spine to the book cloth. Glue the unmarked side of the cardstock spine insert using the PVA adhesive and glue brush. Begin gluing from the center of the strip to each edge, and then even the glue with the brush. Place your book cloth on the work area with the marked side up. Align the top edge of the cardboard insert to the 1 inch mark on the spine cloth, at the same time matching the center lines on the insert and book cloth. Lie the cardboard insert on the book spine and gently press into place. Take your bone folder and start from the center, running it down each side and evenly spreading the glue and insert attachment. Run the bone folder over the entire length several times, allowing some drying time before proceeding to the next step. It is now a good idea to reinforce the head caps of the new book spine with headbands. Use a strong tape like strapping or filament tape. If not available, then glue a strip of book cloth across both short edges of the cardboard insert. On the short edge of the book cloth, measure 1 centimeter in from both edges. This will be the guideline for cutting the head caps. Draw a line from the corner of the insert to 1 centimeter line. Repeat for all corners. Cut along the lines, stopping at the corners of the insert. Next, apply adhesive to the center portion of the book cloth above the insert. Fold it towards the cardboard insert with folding edge exactly at the top of the. Use the bone folder to crease the fold and evenly distribute glue. Repeat this step for the other end of the book cloth.